Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going into Trader Joe's, so let's get in and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so welcome back. I'm going into Trader Joe's, may have to go to more than one Trader Joe's, I have no idea, but we're going to go into Trader Joe's to see if I can find what we are all finding, or trying to find anyway, the Brazil nut body butter. So give me a second. We are going into Trader Joe's right now. So let's see if I find it. Single body wash. What is this? And this is the same. This is what I want to see. I can't see it. Cleansing oil. I think I'm going to get this. What does it say? Yeah, I'm going to get this. Okay, let's see. Hair serum. Salt scrub. What is this? I want to see this. This is like my glasses. Brush. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna get this. Sorry. Let me see it. I can't see it. Let me see. So this is the Brazilian body cream. They're here. Pumpkin mask. I know you're not flipping it right here. You cool? Because it's not obvious. And that. They're supposed to have like a pumpkin one. A pumpkin one like this. I don't see it though. What? A pumpkin one like this? What? What are you hitting for? I know. Purposely. Okay. Oil blend, body oil, jojoba oil. Okay, so I'm done. Alright, so we are back in the car. So I just wanted to share with you guys really quick the things that I got and obviously what I went into Trader Joe's for. So we'll leave that for last. But first and foremost, we got the coconut body butter. My intention wasn't to get this, but it's kind of far from my house. So I was like, might as well get it. So I actually bought two of those. So we have one. There's one for my daughter, one for myself. And then we have the cleansing oil. I've heard of Trader Joe's cleansing oil is really good. So I wanted to give this a try and see. Compared to what I use right now is the Johnson & Johnson gel body oil. Got this. These in New York City, we call them black and white cookies. I guess here in Trader Joe's they call them half moon. Never heard of that, but those are my favorite. And then last but not least, of course, the reason why we went in there, just to get the Brazilian nut body butter. Actually, there was a 2-person limit. I only bought 2 because I actually have the Sol de Janeiro at home already, but these are really, really good. I'm going to give them a try at home, and I'll give you guys my first impressions once I get home. But yeah, that's what I got in the car. So on my way home. Okay, guys, so we are home, as you can see, and I wanted to give you guys my first impressions of Brazil nut body butter and actually the Trader Joe's Nourish Shower and Bath Cleansing Oil, and also the Trader Joe's coconut body butter. So we will leave her for last. The only thing I wish, if Trader Joe's, if you're watching this, the seal wrap that goes around the outer layer, the safety seal, actually has a pretty display. If you saw me haul this in the car, it has like a little orange, yellow. I think it says Brazil or something. It says something. I really wish that they would keep the prettiness, because that definitely makes this a pretty bottle. But anyway, that's not what you guys are here for. So my first impressions. Okay, so if you are going to Trader Joe's, I would definitely recommend you guys try this out. This is a cleansing oil. Now, I took a smell of this and I definitely am going to use this. Now, I would definitely combine that with either body butter, if you can find these in your local Trader Joe's, or actually the Vaseline almond lotion would go perfectly. This cleansing oil, when you smell it, it actually gives you like a nutty almondy smell. So I love the smell of almonds. So if you've ever tried the Vaseline almond body butter, and I didn't see anything like that. If you saw the shop with me with Trader Joe's, I didn't see anything like that, but I would definitely get Vaseline or Sol de Janeiro, or possibly this. We'll find that out in a second. But I would definitely add that as a lotion after you use this. So I've never used a cleansing oil before, but this is almond. It said almond. The almond snuck me. It shocked me. So that's what made me get it. But so I would definitely get that if you like nutty smells, especially this is for the fall and the winter. This is going to be perfect because if you have dry skin in the wintertime, using something like a cleansing oil would be perfect. So now let's talk about the Trader Joe's coconut body butter. So we're going to open it up. So give me 1 second. I have one hand on the camera and one hand on the body butter. Okay, so first impressions, I love the fact that this is full to the top, as you can see there. And then when you are smelling this on my hand, this is 100% smells like pure coconut oil. Sorry, coconut. So if you love the smell of coconut, this would actually be perfect to use with the almond. If you're looking to add to your fall or winter collection, I would definitely get this. It's not a strong scent, but you do smell like the shea, the coconut oil, the shea butter, and vitamin E. Obviously, I don't know what vitamin E smells like, but this is definitely like, if you like coconut shea butter scents, this is definitely one that you want to get. And something like that, I'm definitely going to keep in stock anytime when it comes into like even the summer, but this is going to be perfect for you to use in the winter. Okay, so probably what you are here for is Brazil nut body butter from Trader Joe's. So give me a second. Let me open her up. And we know she's going to look the same, similar to coconut body butter. So give me a second. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And honestly, just here smelling a whiff of this cream. The minute I opened it, I already got a whiff of Sol de Janeiro. So that's crazy. And then let me just give my... Yes. So yes, this hands down is Sol de Janeiro. So what this has, it says it has acai and the guayana extract, also with, you see that salted caramel and pistachio nut. I'm not too sure how the heck they do this, but I have the full size version of Sol de Janeiro, and this smells exactly like it. Again, the Trader Joe's packages are filled to the top. I didn't open this up. I took the packaging off before I opened this up. But it's filled to the top. So if this is even cheaper than the one from Tree Hut. Tree Hut has one similar. I think it's called Tropical Glow, and it smells just like Sol de Janeiro. This actually smells way similar to Sol de Janeiro than the one from Tree Hut, and it's cheaper, so that's crazy. So that is my first impressions here. So if you like Sol de Janeiro, definitely go to Trader Joe's. I know in my store they're only allowing for you to get 2 of them at the same time, and because I have Tree Hut lotions and I have Sol de Janeiro, I only got 2 so that other people can enjoy themselves in my city, because we only have 2 Trader Joe's in my city. So yeah, that is what my first impressions of these products are. And again, if you want to add to your haul collection, then these are definitely 3 things I would definitely add to your fall collection. I can't get coconut to sit still. As you can see there, like Brazil's like, yeah, I'm chilling. Coconut's like, yeah, I'm out. All right, so there she goes. All right, so those are my first impressions of these 3. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss another video, and let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of any of these products here that we're seeing, that I hauled today. So have a good day, guys.